From the drama of our planet's origins and the birth of our solar system comes one of the most startling revelations of modern science. The solar system we see today, quiet, stable, was once a battlefield. Newborn planets blasted through space, competing for stable, circularized orbits inside a grunge-style mosh pit of gas and dust. For those that find the right balance, the prize is survival. For the rest, world-shattering destruction. A new look at the chaos of creation and a frightening possibility in our distant future.